Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your can't install Messenger error on Google Play Store. And before I show you how you guys can do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe button. Let's move on with the video. Now the first reason why you can't install Messenger could be your slow internet. If you're having a slow internet, then make sure to change into a fast connection, or just make sure to turn on your data connection, alright? And once you go into a stable connection, it should start to download. And even if your internet is fast and you're still facing the problem, the next issue could be that you don't have enough space on your phone. If you don't have enough space, then you can't download it. To fix that problem, create enough space by deleting unnecessary photo, videos, apps, and your space should clear up and you can download and use Messenger. But let's say you have enough space and you have a stable connection, you're still facing the problem. In that case, just open your Play Store and click on your profile picture at the top right, and over here click on where it says settings, and inside settings where it says network preferences, click on it and choose app download preference, and make sure it says over any network, alright? Because if it is in one of these, then that's the main issue. So click on this and click on OK, and your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then you can do this. Close Play Store and then hold on your Play Store icon on your Android and click on app info. Once you're inside app info, what you can do is go on where it says storage, click on where it says clear cache, and then click on clear data. Once you do that, you will be logged out from your Google Play Store, so you have to log in again. But once you log in into your Google Play Store account and try to download Messenger, your problem should be fixed. So that's how you guys can fix this can't install Messenger error on Google Play Store. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.